My name is Arjun. I'm a chartered accountant, born and brought up in Bangalore. The house is located in Panchankri. We started construction about 2 years back. Like we are like 6 people staying in the house. My mom, dad, my wife have twin kids. They're like 2.5 years old. Yeah, this is about the house. I think I saw a TV ad on Nibav lifts which said no pit is required. You can in a smaller space you can install the lift.
Quick in their response. He was more coordinating with you guys, so he was happy actually. Obviously, he had taken so many other reviews, about Nibav. Also, he had Googled, researched a lot of, about other elevators, other companies, all those. So we felt this was better. Yeah, it is actually my parents, like my brother chose this, and it's really satisfying the purpose. My mom is almost into their 60s, my parents. So it is so good for them. It serves the purpose actually. Mainly, we wanted lift for elders. So it is serving the purpose too.
I was quite satisfied with the mechanism, safety what he explained, the braking mechanism, the sensors, motors are like ported. So I thought, let me give a try. What impressed my father-in-law is like it was more like Vastu compliant. The pit is not required, the headroom is not required, the lift is hardly, I think it's less than a ton. The overall thing, whereas the traditional lift comes up with like 4 tons of steel or something like that. So that was very impressive. The space what required for this lift was also like hardly anything. I think less than a meter, 1010 mm or something. He asked us to leave. So I thought, okay, let me give a try on this lift. See, one best part, my house was still under construction, so I could have gone for the traditional lift. 5 people or 6 people could fit in. But I felt this is more convenient and more practical for our use. So I opted for this lift. So I got interested, I took the number, tried contacting the Bangalore office. So luckily it was COVID time, but they had just opened the office for demo. So I did go with my father-in-law. I think like 1 or 1.5 hours we both literally had like thousands of questions bombarded on I think Mr. Kiran. We spoke with Kiran.
The main thing, it is very space accommodate. It is so much good. We got most of the superb compliments in housewarming was your elevator. So much accommodative to the interior of the home and the looks wise, and it's very good.
I did not have any issue as such. They were kind of proactive. If there was any delay, immediately contacting me and telling me. So good part. And what I've observed, and the civil construction interiors thing, they delay a lot. It may be anything, woodworks or whatever it is. But Nibav was
very quick, in the response.
They were sticking to the set timelines. That is one good thing. I think you can increase on the speed. See, I'm okay if I'm just using this lift, I'm okay. But experience a different lift, it's more faster. So I think if you can improve on the speed, it'll help a lot. But please go for this lift because it is giving so much aesthetics to the house. I've installed the lift almost near the entrance in the lobby. It's a very big interior element. You'll be adding it. So she was also adding a lot of things. Kiran explained me that it is world's safest home elevator and all those things. So I thought, let's go for this. Just superb.
Awesome, fantastic experience. Very happy, especially my mom.
Happy, yeah.
Very happy.
Actually, you guys have put a customized board inside. It's like it says Avva, Tata and my kid's name. Yeah, my mom is enjoying a lot. My dad was actually a little against having an elevator at home. After seeing the demo, he was like, no, we'll go for this because it had 360-degree view and all those things. And my kids, they enjoy like anything. At least like 10 times a day, they go up and down. And my sister also has, 2 small kids. So that fellow is like...
Why don't we have?
Yeah, I think you'll get another order soon.
It's an eye catcher, to be
Yeah.
frank, for the house. As soon as anybody enters our home, it's like eye catcher.
Coming to that part, see, I've installed the lift in the double height part. So I had ample space to install some element or light there. So my interior came up with, hanging Swarovski lights where, when I'm inside the elevator and coming to the second floor, I can, pass through those, glowing lights. Especially in the nights, it gives an amazing feel with those lights being on.